Hello guys, MZN Kim. Bilang isang beginner ng CapCut creator, 3 days pa lang ako dito. Nag-viral na yung mga CapCut templates ko. So, ngayon gumawa ako ng isang templates with lyrics. So, naglagay lang ako ng pictures at saka nilagyan ko siya ng audio. Kung ano yung audio music na nilagay ko, yun yung nilalagay kong lyrics dyan sa harap ng aking pictures. And then, kailangan mo siya lagyan ng mga effects, mga style, yung letters para naman maganda siya tingnan at para marami ding mag-use sa templates mo at magagandahan yung mga viewers mo. So ngayon guys, tingnan natin yung results sa ginawa kong templates.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own.